Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Talk Help, guys. So for today, I'm going to show you where you can find your Discord tokens. So for this one, you need to access Discord through Google Chrome or Safari or whatever browser you're using, Firefox, whatever it is, you need to use that. For this video, we're using Google Chrome. So we are currently on our Discord channel right here. So what we want to do here is here on the customizing control icon, click this, go down here, select more tools, and then click on developer tools. Afterwards, this message is going to prompt. What you want to do from here is click on this again, customize and control dev tools. Or rather this one, this arrow right here on the side, these two arrows right here, and then click on application. From here, you can see the storage. Go to local storage, just toggle this icon right here, and then click again on https discord.com. And then from here, all you simply have to do is search token. And this is your Discord token. Now you can copy that on your clipboard, and that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please, of course, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you won't miss any of our videos only here on Talk Help Guy.